Here we have the Microraptor, and we're also showing the compass. Now note that the compass is not your regular compass. It's stationary, and the needle moves because what we want to capture is rotation, measurement of rotation of the Microraptor about its axis, and see if the needle tracks it. Obviously we can calibrate this thing, so for example we can have the Microraptor pointing in a certain geographic orientation. In fact, right now it's pointing east, even though you know, we're sort of showing west on the compass, but we can easily modify that, fix that. That's not an issue. What we want to demonstrate here is, first of all, we're going through the network robots. So if you look at here, we should be showing blinking LED right there, and the blue LED blinking showing that is, in fact, we're connected to the network. And here we show the magnetometer. That's its position here, and we've already calibrated the Microraptor so that the compass, Java compass being as it is, you know, will show rotation, accurately tracking the rotation of the Microraptor. So any orientation of the Microraptor will be able to capture that and display it with that needle over 0 to 360 degrees. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and rotate. Now here I'm facing east, or you might think that the rear is facing west. Okay, so I've rotated the Microraptor. As you can see, I've rotated the Microraptor, so it's now the rear is pointing toward west and the front is pointing toward east. So I'm going to continue to rotate, and you can see the needle capturing the angle about the axis of the Microraptor as I rotate it, and now we're 180 degrees apart. Now if I go 90 degrees, you'll see we'll head south. Okay, and if I keep going, I'll end up pointing east. If I keep going, I should get 90 degrees, which is north, right there. And if I continue, I get my original position where the needle was pointing a little bit off of west. Okay, so now we can track the orientation of the Microraptor. And, you know, we can offset this guy, move it over here, and get the same result, hopefully. So here we're showing it like we were here. We're about 180 degrees across. So we're capturing the orientation of the Microraptor. That's the key point. Capture the orientation of the Microraptor, regardless of the Java bean. And you know, obviously the Java bean is showing the 360. We're illustrating that. It's easier to illustrate that with you know, north, south, east, west, and indicate it that way. And we can calibrate this to be either way.